Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting your free video. So today I'm just going to go over a few tips that you can start applying right away that's really going to help with your online presence as well as getting more organic leads so you don't have to rely on paid lead services like Angie's or Home Advisor. So it's important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So it is really critical that your website be properly built and optimized so you can capture that kind of traffic. All right. So here we are on your website. You've got a good looking website. All right. I like that you have online scheduling. That's awesome. I would definitely put your call to action up top with a click to call phone number and a form um, so that as soon as they land on your page, they can contact you because you don't have a whole lot of time to capture their attention. All right, reviews are good. Foundation repair in Colorado Springs, that's good. You're going after local keywords. You service multiple areas. So I would also suggest having separate service area pages for the major areas that you service. That way you can be found organically for each of your services in each of the areas that you service. That's going to be pretty important for you. Let's see what else here. Okay. Got some good examples. Now, each of these should have their own page. Waterproofing, foundation repair, crawl space repair, retaining walls, and concrete leveling. There are keywords available for all of those. And so to optimize the traffic coming to your site, you really need to have a separate page with content built around those with local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching in Colorado Springs for each of your services. So that's going to be really, really important because Google does not rank websites based on their appearance. It is based on content. Content is key and you will need a lot of it. You do need more content than your competitors, and Google really likes a homepage to have a minimum of about 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. So that content is generally focused around your business and your services using those local buyer intent keywords. And you need 250 words for every keyword that you're going to target. I noticed that you have a page here for engineering, but you don't have the pages for your actual services. So as I mentioned before, that's going to be really important to have those separate pages and to also consider having those separate service area pages. But do make sure that all of your pages have their own original content and that it's not duplicated because otherwise Google will penalize you for that. Okay, so let's look at your top competitor for foundation repair in Colorado Springs. And we have Peak. They have a good looking website. They have the separate pages for each of their major services. They've got the call to actions with the click to call phone number and form as soon as you land on the page. So that's pretty important. They are going after the local and regional keywords. They have separate service area pages, like I mentioned. They've got a pretty strong website here. They have interlinking pages, which is important for your SEO. And they got a ton of Google reviews throughout their entire website. Although they don't quite have enough content as far as what Google would like to see. But they are doing a lot of things right here. So you definitely would need to beat them content-wise. And then you're going to need to support your website with SEO because without search engine optimization, your website is not going to get found online. So now if we look here, it looks like you do have some type of SEO going on your website, or at least you have in the past. You have a rating of a 14 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't too bad. And this is based 100% on your backlinks and referring domains. Um, this is important, and you do need a lot of these, but it's important to note that not all backlinks are good backlinks. They are not all created equal, and they don't all work for every type of industry. So you want to make sure that you're focused on only getting the relative buyer intent, um, authoritative do follow type of links. And to note that Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So you have 207 referring domains and over 5,000 backlinks, which means that you have over 5,200 spammy backlinks according to Google. And you only have 95 that are do follows. So out of over 5,400 backlinks, you only have 95 doing anything remotely to help your website. You've only been indexed for 39 keywords, so you're only getting about 106 people on average to your website. So you're missing out on a ton of potential customers by not being optimized or having those service area pages so that you can be found online organically. Looking at your keywords, you do have a couple keywords on the home page, but they're mostly based off of your brand or national keywords. So national keywords may have a lot of volume, but they're going to give you false metrics. You're going to get people landing on your page that are going to leave because you can't help them. So you do need to be focused more on these local keywords. And there is still a good amount of volume there as well. So you just need to refocus on those local keywords so that you can be found organically and start converting those into customers. Now, if we look at Peak, they have a rating of a 22 with only 800 backlinks and 128 referring domains, which just proves that not all backlinks are created equal because they have 5,000 less backlinks and still have a higher trust flow. They have over 1,500 keywords indexed, and they're getting over 452 people on average to their website. And all of those keywords are ranked very well keywords, and they're all local keywords. They have 71 do follow referring domains. So you do need to beat their 71 do follow referring domains in quantity as well as quality. These guys are beatable, but it is going to take work. So you are going to have to work on these strategies. And the last part of this is the Google My Business profile. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 for your keywords and service areas, which you are the number 1 for this specific search term. So that's awesome. Congratulations. But if you find that you're not in the top 3 for one of your keywords or service areas, then you really are going to need to optimize your Google profile. And the most important factor in that is going to be citations, and that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you will need more of those than your competitors. Now, when you follow all of these tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.